session, we are going to learn about basics of Python. What is Python? Python is high-level, general-purpose and interpreted programming language. Why should we learn Python? It allows you to solve complex problems in less time and few lines of code. In industries, it became a best solution from web applications to machine learning, including data science. Comparing to other programming languages, it's easy to learn and user-friendly. The syntax of Python is very clear and understandable. Next, will move on to variables. A variable is a named location for storing data in a memory. It will helpful to think of variable as a container that holds our data can be changed later in our program. Now we'll see how to work on with Python idle. Open Python idle and select new file, then work on first we'll enter a variable name and a value. Here number is a variable and 5 is a value. Then we are going to print the variable name. The output will display the value. After entering the code must be saved and then you have to run the program. Then we are going to replace the value. First enter number equal to 3, then number equal to 1. Now I am going to print only a number. Now save the code and run the code. The output will display only an 1. The reason is it will consider only a final value as a result and not an initial value. Because we are giving same variable name, so that it will consider only a final value. Now we are going to change multiple variables to values. Multiple variables to values. Now enter variables number, then integer, then value. Then enter the values. Now print each variable separately. Print numbers, print of integer, print of values. Now save the code and run. The output will display as a value separately.